Are you looking to build a simple professional website for your moving company? Great, you're in the right spot because I'm going to show you how to build this website just like this for only $9 a month. Give yourself a very professional website for your business and that describe all the things you do, from local moves that you help people with your Facebook reviews to back you up, to long distance moves if you offer that as well. Again, we got Facebook reviews. You can integrate a ton of different things, YouTube videos, in your storage solutions if you offer anything like that to your customers. And you can see a simple professional multi-page website. I'm going to show you how to build this quick and easy so that you can get your moving business online and drive more leads for your business with a professional website that's only $9 a month. That's right. This website and this website builder is only $9 a month. Let's jump right in. I'm going to show you how to build this website for your business for just $9. Like I mentioned, building a website for your moving company is only $9 a month using Mighty Sites. I'm going to go right in here, and the first thing I'm going to do, I'm just going to search for moving service. So if you have like pet moving service, piano moving service, any of these, you can select those, but I'm just going to select the general moving company one first. All right, and then I'm going to put in Keegan the Mover as my company name. Type of business, it's a service business. Location, put Denver, Colorado, and continue. All right, you can see people building Mighty Sites all the time right over here. Again, this is going to launch the template. It's only $9 a month. There's a nice little tutorial video here you can check out, and you can click through. It shows you exactly how the platform works and functions, which is what I'm going to show you here today. And then if you click through, you can even see some nice examples of Mighty Sites that have been built and how nice and professional they look using the platform. You can see if I scroll through, works for all different types of businesses, and hey, look, even a moving company. Let's jump right in and get started. So you can see here, now I've got this nice template for my moving company, but I'm gonna wanna really spice this thing up. First thing I'm gonna do is click on update section. I'm gonna add my phone number because you want people to contact you, right? So there's the phone number, and then I'm gonna put my email too. So just put Keegan@mightysites.com. And then I'm gonna put that I want that to show on the site. Click that, save. Now I've got that information there, right? Now I'm going to go over here to social media. You would just copy and paste your Facebook page or your Instagram page over here. So I'm just going to put facebook.com, and then it would be like /Keegan the Mover, right? Whatever your URL is. But I'm just going to save that. You can add all of your other links as well. Now you may want to add a logo. That always helps make it look professional on your site too. So what I like to do is go to Canva and then just create a logo over here. So I'm just going to click on logo, and then let's just see what I can create here. I can even use the AI, just a logo for a moving company called Keegan the Mover, right? So there's AI tools right here. You can see it's figuring that out, and it's going to give me some type of logo here for my business. Cool, sweet. So check out these logos. This is super cool. I like this one a lot. So I'm going to just use this as my business logo. And that was the Canva AI that did that. I'm going to make this nice and big here because I'm probably going to crop it out. I'm going to show you how to do that in Mighty Sites. So there's Keegan the Mover. Now I've got a moving company logo, Keegan the Mover logo. Cool. All right, now I'm going to download that. All right, there we go. So now my logo is being downloaded. I'm going to go over here to update section, look at my logo, browse, and there we go. Almost downloaded. There we go. There's my logo. So I'm going to download it. Here it is. It's loading onto the site. Save logo. Boom, there it is. Now I can make it bigger, can make it smaller. I can even go in here and edit it, which I'm going to do just to show you these tools. I'm going to crop it down a little bit on the top and the bottom, bring it in a little bit. And then there's all these other tools over here for editing images too, like logos or images you add to the site. All right, so I'm going to do that, save the logo, and boom, now I've got my logo over here, right? Make it a little bit bigger, make it smaller. I can even update the design, and I can change the layout so it's like this, which is a pretty cool layout option too. But I'm just going to switch it back and keep it traditional for now. Got my logo, got my links. This will automatically go to my contact form. You might want to update your contact form and add an address there because you want to know the address of the person that you are trying to deliver to. And then I like to add right here to an Elfsight widget. So Elfsight is free and cheap, has really free and cheap options. You can create all types of widgets to add to your site. I'm just going to go over here and I'm going to log in and grab my Google reviews, and I'm going to copy the code. That's all I have to do. go back over here, paste in my Google Reviews widget, save it, close it. And now when I stop editing mode, which I'm going to do right here, now you can see my website's coming along pretty well so far. And there are my Google reviews, right, for my site. Now I'm going to switch up these images because I think I can find better images for moving companies. So let's just go over here and let's see what we can find. This platform is all built into a photo library, so you can connect your Instagram, browse photos from your computer, or use any of these pre-licensed photos to add to your site. Let's just see what this one looks like. There we go. That's pretty cool. I like that for moving company. I'm also going to update the content here and say professional moving company. And then I'm just going to say Denver, Colorado. Here to serve you professionally and timely with all your moving needs. All right, there we go. So pretty cool. Then request a free estimate. That's good with me. I'm going to save that there. Okay. And then I'm going to jump down here, contact us. I can make this, I'll show you, update that action so it's click to call, so it can click to call my phone number. It can link to another website. It can link to the contact form on my website, but I'm just going to leave it as click to call for now. So if somebody's on there, they click it, it calls me. All of this is pre-written for you, but you can go in and update any of these sections. I'm going to update the image again here too. So let's go to this and then update image. Let's just say new home. Let's see what that gives me. There we go. That's kind of cool. Like there's a family in there. I like that one. This is clearly a family in their new home. There we go. This is cool. This is like a family getting set up. Yeah, there we go. That looks nice. All right. And then this last one, let's do something cooler than that. So those are boxes. I kind of like the dog. Kind of cute. Or we could do this one. Ah, there we go. That's a nice picture. That could be like a photo of your team or something like that, right? So I'm going to save that image. And then last one here, I'm going to update this so you can see, just trying to get images that I really like and align with this. So is this my chance to use the dog photo in the box? Kind of cute. Customers might like it. Let's see. Yeah, cool. All right. So I'm just going to stop editing to show you what the homepage looks like. Okay, so you can see now I've pretty well done with a professional homepage for my moving company. You've got really nice images, picture of my team, Google reviews, contact form, basically everything that you need for a website for your moving business is here. And then I can just edit the text as much as I want. So if I go to the site dashboard, this is the back end. This is where you can connect a domain. You can buy one through us or use one you already own. You can update your site right here by clicking update, or you can go right over here and view your leads. So as leads come in from your website, you'll see them in your leads inbox here. And then there's a nice little tutorial on what to do to generate leads. I'm just gonna go back to update my Mighty site. And the next thing I'm gonna show you is how to add more pages to your business website. So all I have to do is click right here, add a page. And then just think about the pages that you want on your site. I'm going to show you how to do this. Okay, so I'm going to add just a few pages to my website. First is going to be local moving. So I'm going to add that page. Okay, and then I'm going to add another page. We're going to call this long distance move. Long distance moving. There we go. Okay. All right, and then we're going to add another page. And we're going to call this storage options. Okay, people who are moving ask about storage. Moving companies, many of them own a storage unit or offer that. Then I'm going to go update section, update menu. Now I'm going to add these. So I'm going to say local moves, my website, link to local moves, confirm, add it to the menu. And now here's the other thing I want to do. I want to add a home page. So I'm just going to put home. And then where's that going to link to? Main header banner section, add it to my menu right here and move that up to the top. Okay. Then I'm going to add long distance. Now that's going to link to the new long distance page of my site. Confirm that. Add it to menu and then storage solutions. Okay. And then I'm going to, where's that going to link? I'm going to link that to the storage options page. Confirm that. Add to my menu, and now I'm going to save my menu. All right, and now I'm going to show you how to make these pages really look good. All right, so we got local, long distance, storage solutions, home, about, services, contact. Right, I'm going to actually update the menu and just move contact to the end because that's more common. Save the menu updates, and now head back over to my site, right? So here's the image. So now I'm on let's go to the local moves page and activate editing mode there first to edit this page. And now I'm going to update this section. Let's update the image first. Let's just say, I like the new home images. I think that looks nice on here. So let's just do this one. It's pretty cool. Looks like a family that just moved in with their dog. All right, now I just use ChatGPT to some headline copy. You can write your own or just use ChatGPT. Ask them to optimize it for your location. So wherever it is that you provide the service, ask them to optimize it for that area. Okay, there we go. Let's jump down here. Okay, I'm just gonna make it a little space. All right, save that, and you can see now I've got some nice copy there as well. And go over. Now, people really care about what others say about moving companies. So I've got my Google reviews. I'm gonna go over here and grab my Facebook review. Just another Elfsight widget, free or cheap. It's like $10, just depends on what you're using. I'm gonna paste in my Facebook reviews. I'm gonna save my widget there. I'm gonna update this section and just say, get in touch. We love to earn your business. All right, and then I'm gonna update the form to put the address. We need that as a moving company. Okay, save content. Now, I'll of editing mode and just show you what my page looks like. Oops, gotta fix that one thing there. So let me go back to activate editing mode. The ampersand came out funny looking. There we go. All right, now, check it out. Fast and friendly local movers, Denver, Colorado, right? I've even got my Facebook review. So this is looking pretty good. I'm just gonna do my other pages now.